Hello friends, welcome to another video related to ransomware. In this video I am telling you the method by which you can recover your encrypted file from the Uihj and Zfdv ransomware attack. If your PC has been attacked by ransomware, so I am telling you the method by which you can recover your all the data. Okay, so please watch the complete video so you can decrypt your all the data. So first of all, you must know that when in my case they have attacked the PC with the extension name is .vvoa. When you try to open, you cannot open it. Okay, and they will also place a file readme.txt file. They will ask for a ransomware. In this case, like you can see that they are asking for a ransomware, so do not pay them. I am telling you the method by which you can recover your all the data. Okay, first of all, you think you have to do is to turn off your internet. After turning off your internet from here, then go to the task manager option. Go to the task manager. You will see in task manager some unknown process will be running in the background. If you see that some unknown process are running in your PC in the background, you have to select this unknown process, just like click on it and click on the end task. In my case, I have ended all the unknown files, so you can do this as well. In the third step, go to the C drive. Go to the C drive. Okay, go to the C drive, go to the window, and then go to the system 32, and then go to the driver, and then go to the etc, and you will see a host file txt. When you try to open it, when your PC has been attacked by a ransomware, you will see some unknown IP addresses here below. Okay, with which a website will be attached. These are your own IP addresses. Below them you will see unknown IP addresses will be connected to your PC. You have to select these unknown IP addresses just like that, and remove it, and then save the file. Now your PC has been disconnected from the ransomware attack. So now I am telling you the method by which you can recover your data. How you will recover your data? Then for which you have to go to the so I am telling you the three software by which you can use to decrypt your data. First software is Emisoft, third is Shadow Explorer, second is Shadow Explorer, third is Photorec, and fourth is free malware. You can download all the software from the Google as well. Okay, from the download this software and you can decrypt your all the data. Okay, I hope you will understand this. If you have any question in decrypting your all the data, ask in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching and goodbye.